Chief Justice of India naming Justice Chandrachud as his successor. His tenure ends on November 8th, and if the recommendations are accepted by the government, Justice Chandrachud will take oath as the CJI on November 9th. Legal editor Harish Nair joining us with the details on that. Harish, Justice DY Chandrachud all said to be the 50th Chief Justice of India.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. Chief Justice UU Lalit has just now recommended the name of second senior-most Supreme Court judge after him, that is Justice DY Chandrachud, as his successor at a meeting of all Supreme Court judges. That is the full court meeting at 10:15 a.m. today. The recommendation will soon be forwarded to the Law Ministry in the form of a letter by Chief Justice of India UU Lalit. And remember, keeping with the memorandum of procedure, Union Law Ministry had on October 7 written to the Chief Justice to recommend name of his successor, and Justice Chandrachud will take oath as the 50th Chief Justice of India on November 9 if the recommendation is accepted. After that, is incumbent the present Chief Justice will retire on November 8 after a very short tenure as a Chief Justice for 2 months and 2 weeks. And going by the if you look at the profile of Justice Chandrachud, he is considered one of the most progressive voices in the Supreme Court, part of several constitution benches judgments, and has delivered several judgments of Indian constitutional law, human rights, gender justice, public interest litigation, commercial law, and criminal law. Justice Chandrachud was appointed the judge of the Supreme Court on 13 May 2016. Earlier, he was Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, and the latest landmark judgment, as we all have been covered, that he had delivered a judgment giving unmarried women in a consensual relationship right to safe and legal abortion even beyond 20-week pregnancy, along with its strong emphasis on women's right to bodily autonomy. His hard-hitting remarks had even prompted central government to change the COVID vaccination procurement policy, and also announced free vaccines to all adults in the government hospitals. So he is part of several judgments, and in his early days at the Supreme Court, Justice Chandrachud had gained appreciation through his two popular dissenting opinions in the Aadhaar case and also the arrest of the Bhima Koregaon violence case. And so the biggest development is that now the Chief Justice UU Lalit has recommended Justice Chandrachud's name as his successor at a meeting of all Supreme Court judges at 10:15 a.m. And once his name is accepted by the government, he will take oath as the 50th Chief Justice of India on November 9.
That's right. So, this is the procedure, like you mentioned. The outgoing Chief Justice of India names his successor, and as per the seniority as well, it was Justice Chandrachud. But like you mentioned, there are some of the cases that he has made news for. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details.